An intelligent system is a system that has more sensors and more of an ability to self-diagnose. You can, in an intelligent system, for example, in the oil and gas industry, you can take a Coriolis mass flow meter and measure the actual mass of the liquid going through the product. The difference between measuring the mass and measuring the volume in form of gallons is that you're actually measuring the true amount of product that goes through the meter. For example, in cold weather, the meter will be able to measure a product that has lower volume but the same amount of mass because it contracts in the cold. In a warmer volume, it'll expand, but the mass is the same. And for a customer, that net volume means money because it's measuring volume in barrels and gallons. We don't measure it that way. So an intelligent system will actually measure the true mass or amount of product being distributed out of that system. The end result for a customer is true value of what they're selling or transferring over. A primary benefit of an intelligent system is that self-diagnosis can be performed without people having to go out on site and look at the wear and tear on the system. For example, a filtration system will begin to clog up just like your vacuum cleaner will. And a differential pressure system with a pressure gauge on either side that is automated and brought back to the customer's desktop will show them at a certain point it's beginning to plug up. And then you can send on your schedule a person out there who will be able to prepare safely to go out and change that filter. When people are in a hurry and things are broken down, you get in a rush and that's when accidents happen. Some of the other benefits of an intelligent system are that a customer can actually see long-term performance of that piece of equipment over time. There's no subjectivity about it at all. It's logged, it's kept, its trends are there. You can see equipment that over time wears out more often than other equipment, for example, and you can predict those failures more accurately. If you take an intelligent system and you put it onto a SCADA system or to a plant automation system, its visibility is greater over the entire process, and its contribution to the whole entire process in that plant is included and monitored more readily. When a company wants to implement intelligence to their system, what they should do is ask a Valin representative to come out to their facility to do an audit. What we would do is talk to the people involved in the process and help them show us what it is they would like to see, virtually or literally, on the system. And then we can develop those inputs and outputs into a system and put a demonstration together of what our system would do for them. We would ask all the parties involved and create a survey, and then from that survey come up with an I/O format or an input and output format that would help them understand what could be brought to them digitally right on their desktop. By going through this audit process with Valin, customers are able to get a more tailored solution that fits their needs more accurately.